guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sydney and I'm here with another hair video. This hair is from LuvMe Hair. They sent me an 18-inch frontal wig unit and it already came custom color. It is so pretty. I actually took some pictures on Instagram before I'm uploading this video, and everybody, you know, has been asking did I color it myself, like, you know, how did the hair come? And literally this hair came just like this. I bleached the knots a little bit, but that's really it. But the color, they did the color and everything, and it just came like this. I will leave the link to the hair video in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this hair, please make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so before we jump into the actual hair install, I just want to show you guys basically everything that comes into the hair, that comes in the hair box. They send you like a thing of goodies, like a comb, a wax stick. They send you hairpins, bobby pins, an elastic band. You know, they just send you a whole bunch of goodies that basically helps you get started with your hair. Just showing you guys what the wig looks like here. Like I said before, it already came colored like this, so I didn't have to do anything. And then it also comes with an elastic band and then 3 clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Okay, so I feel like I never really show you guys how I do my ball cap method, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing now. I'm just cutting the ear pieces out so I can just have like a little more of a secure lay down. And I'm gonna go back in with the got2b spray, and then I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna blow dry. Okay, so when I cut my cap off, I never cut like in a straight line. I usually cut around my hairline, just to customize it and make it look as natural as possible, because you don't want to see the cap. So I'm gonna take my foundation color and I'm gonna just put that all on like the front piece of my cap where the frontal is gonna be. And I'm doing this because I want my cap to look like scalp. Like, you don't want it to look like an actual cap. And then to put on my wig, I'm just using that elastic band, which makes it feel so secure when you actually put, like when you're melting your wig down. It's gonna feel so secure. So before I put my frontal down, I'm just like, you know, looking around to see if it's customized how I want it and if it's going to be in the right position that I want it to be in. So I'm taking my bold hold lace glue and I'm just going to put that right in front of my cap, all around my forehead. Okay, so before you lay your lace down, you want to make sure you blend in that glue out. And I actually use that glue to melt this cap down into my forehead a little bit more. And then you want to blow dry it until it's clear. So when it's clear, you'll know when, you know, you're ready to put the lace on. Another tip that helps melt your lace a little bit better after I put it onto the glue, I push it down into my skin with the comb. So I'm combing through and I'm pushing it down, and it makes your lace look a lot more melted. Okay, so same thing how I cut my ball cap. It's kind of like how I cut my lace. I don't cut too close to where the hair is, and then I don't cut in a straight line because you don't want it to look, like I say, you just want it to look natural. So I don't cut in a straight line at all, and then I don't cut too close to the hairline. So this is where the elastic band comes in handy. Right after I cut my lace, before I do my baby hairs or anything else, I lay it right there on my lace for about 10 minutes, and it just literally melts the lace right into your skin. So now that the install is pretty much done, I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair, and I'm gonna be curling this hair because I feel like this hair isn't that long, so the curls give it like a super classy look with the color, and I just think it looks super pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some big curls in here. So now I'm gonna go in with my powder foundation. I'm just putting that on the lace and making it blend in as much as possible. Okay, so now we're starting with baby hairs, and when I do my baby hairs, I take out little pieces because I want it to look as natural as possible, and I don't like them too long, so I cut them like right above my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go in with my even edge control, and I'm just gonna use my edge brush and brush it into my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.